Hi, this is John Roberts from Pivotal Software. This video covers Pivotal Greenplum Cloud Managed features in the AWS Cloud. Let's first get started with gpmaintain. This utility automates the scheduling and execution of database maintenance tasks. It's executed through cron tab, and you can see it runs every 10 minutes, checking the configuration file to see if it needs to run or not. So you can easily update your configuration file to schedule when maintenance will run. By default, it runs weekly. Here I'll run gpmaintain manually, and you pass in a log file that will contain the detail log of the execution of all the different maintenance tasks. The standard out will have a report information regarding how long each task took to execute. So you can see vacuum analyze took 8 seconds to execute. Other tasks involve analyzing user tables, re-indexing the catalog, checking tables for bloat, so forth. Now taking a look at the detailed log, you can see all the steps that were executed. This greatly simplifies database administration for running Greenplum in the AWS Cloud. Next up is gpoptional. This automates the installation of optional components. Simply run gpoptional to see the list of optional components that you can install. As you can see, PHP, pgadmin, and Command Center have already been installed. For the demonstration, I'll choose 5, which is madlib. Madlib installs by using a package, as well as executing a SQL file. PLR is also the same. Installs a package, and then a SQL file has to be run. This automates all of those steps for you without having to manually execute the steps or research how to do this through reading the documentation. You simply choose the number on the menu and the optional component will be installed. This is also the same utility that's executed during deployment when you choose an optional install, such as madlib, PLR, Command Center, so forth. So now PLR has been successfully installed. It's that simple. Lastly is gprelease. This is an upgrade utility. It automates the upgrade of database, optional, and cloud components. First off, in cron tab, you'll see that there's a gp cron release program. This runs weekly to see if there's a new version available. If there is a new version available, it will update your message of the day, so when you SSH into the master node, you get the message that there's a new version. Here I'll manually run this, and you'll see that there's a new version for the cloud components. So it's updated the message of the day. If I exit and log back in again, I can see the revised message of the day, indicating that I need to run gprelease to upgrade the database. So now I'll run gprelease. It'll ask me if I want to continue to install the new version of the cloud utilities, and just like that, the new version's there. If I exit and log back in again, I see that the message of the day has been updated to no longer reflect that there's a new version available.